Think back to a summer when you were 8. It felt like it lasted forever, long enough to contain entire worlds, long enough that September felt like a different country. Now, summers vanish before you've registered they started, and the year you're in feels shorter than the one before it. This is not stress. It is not nostalgia. Your brain is running a specific compression system, and once you see how it works, you cannot unsee it. Most people land on the same explanation. Life gets busier as you get older, so time disappears faster. That sounds right. It is wrong. Busy days actually feel longer while you're in them. A packed Tuesday at work stretches. A slow Sunday afternoon disappears. Busyness is not what drives the acceleration, and the proof is in what happens when you look back, not forward. The real mechanism operates in your memory, not in your schedule. When you were 5 years old, 1 year was 20% of your entire life. Your brain treated it that way, encoded that year as massive, because relative to everything you had experienced, it was. At 40, 1 year is 2.5% of your life. Your brain scales perceived time against your total lifespan. A year feels shorter, not because it is shorter, but because it weighs less against everything that came before it. This is proportional time theory, and it runs in the background your entire life without asking permission. A 5-year-old and a 40-year-old live the same calendar year. They do not live the same psychological year. Here is where the second system comes in. Your brain does not record time like a clock. It records time through memory anchors, novel, first-time experiences that your hippocampus, the brain's memory filing system, stamps and stores. First day of school, first time tasting something strange, first time you got lost somewhere and had to find your way back. Each one of those becomes a timestamp, a marker in your autobiographical timeline. When you look back on a year, your brain counts the markers, not the minutes. A year with many anchors feels long. A year with few anchors compresses into almost nothing. Childhood is full of anchors. Almost everything is a first. By adulthood, the same commute repeats. The same faces, the same routines. Your brain stops filing them. They do not feel new, so it does not mark them. The year was full. The album was empty. Think of your autobiographical memory as a photo album your brain assembles automatically. In childhood, every page is packed. First bus ride, first thunderstorm, first time you tasted something and your face did something you could not control. Your brain photographed all of it. In your 40s, whole months might produce one blurry shot, taken on autopilot, filed without attention. When you flip back through the album at the end of December, the thin section does not just feel thin. It was thin in the only way your brain measures time, by what it chose to save. A half-empty album always feels like a short year, because to your brain, it was. Here is where it gets stranger. Researchers who study autobiographical memory have found that people in environments with almost no variation, repetitive jobs, isolated routines, no new places or people, report years that feel like they happened in weeks. The brain does not experience time passing when nothing worth filing happens. It reconstructs duration from stored events. No events, no duration. This is why travel makes a week feel like a month. New city, new smells, new food, wrong currency. Your brain photographs constantly. You return home, and the week feels enormous in memory, even though it was 7 days, like any other 7 days. Your brain is not measuring time. It is measuring input worth keeping. So the problem is not that you are old. The problem is that your life has become too easy for your brain to bother recording The year didn't actually shrink. Your brain just ran out of new pages to fill, and a half-empty album will always feel like a short one. If this surprised you, subscribe. We post a new body mystery every day.